ice cream made with color paper and paper. And this is the shape. I color it now. Time to do the art. First, we need to get a colored paper. I want a blue. This one. I want this color. There, like that. There, the colored paper is like that. And come on, let's put some glue. This one is my big glue. I love this glue so much. And come on, let's put it here, up in here. So guys, this is our look. I made it like this. And I put it in the ice cream. This one right here. Now you see that color. That is the color. And put it there. Oh, there. Oh, my glue is going to spill, Mama. So guys, we're not done yet. This is will be it's a long minute. And I cannot finish this video because we need to show you. Okay. We're almost done. There's so many paper. Look, you see it down there. Come on, come on. Jelly. Oh, this is a big one. There, we're done putting glue, but we're not done yet because there are many pieces left. There. Good. Now to put another glue because we're not done yet. There. This will be so tagal. Comment for part 2. We're not done yet here. Look, you see this? You sit down here. Now we need to get another paper. Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Where did you buy this, baby?
In shop house. Why?
I'm just asking.
Okay. So we need to be careful. So guys, we not done yet, but the ice cream is almost done. Now we're done with the and we go to the down. Let's get a color. This is where I go it from. There's green, there's yellow, there's blue. So guys, today the ice cream cone will be blue. Wait guys, I'm not done yet. Always one. So guys, this is the final look. Look, it's an ice cream. Bye bye. See you in my next video. In the part 2. Bye bye. Down. Down.